Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You begin by confirming compatibility and protecting your data. Check about this Mac to verify model and target Mac OS, then back up with Time Machine or an external drive so you can restore if needed. Once done, free about 20% disk space and close heavy apps. This prevents installer failures. Make sure the Mac is connected to power and a stable Wi-Fi network. Now, open System Settings or System Preferences to find Software Update and start the download immediately. You'll monitor the download and handle permissions next. Click Software Update and choose Update or Upgrade. The installer may download several gigabytes, so expect 30 to 120 minutes depending on speed. While downloading, avoid heavy network use and let the Mac stay awake. Once the installer finishes, you'll be prompted for an admin password. Enter it and confirm. The Mac will prepare the update, then restart. Make sure you don't force shutdown during installation. Interruptions can corrupt the system. You finish by completing the Setup Assistant and verifying everything runs. After the reboot, sign into your Apple ID if asked, then open App Store or Settings to update apps and check privacy permissions. Make sure peripherals and printers reconnect. Reinstall drivers only if required. If the update fails or the Mac won't boot, reboot into safe mode. Run Disk Utility First Aid on your startup disk and retry the installer. If problems persist, restore from your Time Machine backup or contact Apple support.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.